Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about the zoology. This is reproduction in organisms for in a zoology, the first lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to say about that in a botany likewise. But animals, how it is having likewise, we are going to see. So first one, today we are going to just see introduction part only. So in the next class we see about that in a detailed manner. Reproduction is the process in which an organism produces young ones similar to itself. The period from birth to natural death of organism is called a lifespan. Yes. So which one is the lifespan means in between that in a period of death and birth, that is only we called as a lifespan. Yes, Tama. So among that reproduction is an important essential process. No individual is immortal means that is அழியாம இருக்கிறது கிடையாது. Everyone it is in that able to death. Okay, so no natural death is in unicellular organisms. What happening means unicellular organisms one cell divide into two, it survive likewise. Okay, based on the number of participants, the reproduction is in a two types, asexual and sexual. We are see it in a botany onwards. Yes, lifespan of animals, and also here explain that in a plants also. So first of all in a asexual reproduction, so it is having in that in a fission, budding and fragmentation in animals. It is vegetative propagation given, but it is what it is means single parent involvement. And a unicellular organism mostly it is having likewise, it is morphologically and genetically similar clones it is produced. Okay, so first one, fission means what it is, you see that in a fission. Yes, fission means that is one cell it is divided into two. Okay, so one cell divided into two means that is only we called a fission means division. Actually fission means it is in a division. So it is having in a two types given, but in your book given in a five types. Okay, so what are the two types here explained means binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission means here you look at in amoeba, one cell it is divided into two equal parts. Yes, that is it is having in a cell nucleus division, that is karyokinesis. After it is followed by that in a cytokinesis, that is cytoplasm, it's divided into two likewise. Here what having, you see that in plasmodium, it is formation of cyst. சிஸ்ட்னா அதோட சுற்றி ஒரு ஓடை க்ரியேட் பண்ணிக்கும். ஸோ என்ன பண்ணும், இட் இஸ் டிவைட் இன்சைட் த பாடி இன் அ மெனி ஈக்குவல் பார்ட்ஸ் and then it gives that in a many new individuals it is produced after breakdown of that in a parent. Okay, so that is we called as in a multiple fission. It is able to see in a amoeba also. Okay, so that is in a fission what happened in a fission under unfavorable condition only, it is having in that in a three layered covering, that is we called as in a encystation. I told that is in a covering, அதை சுற்றி ஒரு கவர் ஓடு மாதிரி ஒன்று க்ரியேட் பண்ணிக்கும். ஸோ அதை தான் நம்ம கால் பண்ணுறோம். இன்சைட் இட் இஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ் 13 spores likewise structure. Okay, that is a nucleus, many divisions, and that is in a plasma membrane having in a many divisions. After it is enclosed both, it is produced that in a pseudopodia spores. Okay, that is in a sporulation. When it is in a favorable condition, it is comes outside likewise. Okay, the next one we are going to see about that in a budding. What is that in a budding? In this in a bud appears and grows in a parent body. Okay, but it is occur after it grows, it attaches from that in a parent and it is produced in a own kinds. Okay, hydra, sponges, yeast likewise. Okay, next one is a fragmentation. What is the meaning of fragmentation? Fragment means it is in a small pieces. The body is fragmented into small pieces, and it each part it is able to divide into the new part. Okay, so that's only here explained. It is vegetative propagation, it is having only in a plants only. Okay, so remaining thing we see it as in a later. Okay, you see that in our sponges it is produced that in a gemmules. Okay, it is produced that in a gemmules. Likewise, the gemmules, the third part, it is given in then a gemmules after, when it is in a fiber cup like structure, it is produced, the it is having that in a so many gemmules, it is broken down after it comes outside through the gemmule pore, it is bring that in a new sponges. Okay ma, so that's all those things. It is just introduction only. We see it in a next class as in a thorough manner. Thank you.